I am Dr. Rajiv Sinha, a pediatric nephrologist, and I have got a special interest in bladder. Bladder can interest হলো because bladder is something which is ignored. অ্যাডাল্টেও ইগনোর করা হয়, পেডিয়াট্রিকে তো আরও বেশি ইগনোর করা হয়। আর কিডনি আর ব্লাডারের মধ্যে খুবই স্ট্রং লিঙ্ক আছে। তো when I returned from abroad in 2010-11 তখন দেখলাম কি যে ইন্ডিয়াতে ব্লাডারের উপরে কিছু হচ্ছে না, আর কলকাতাতে তো আরও খারাপ অবস্থা ছিল। তখন আমরা অ্যাজ এ টিম অ্যালং উইথ ডক্টর সুভাষিস সাহা আমরা চেষ্টা করলাম গত 10 বছর ধরে, 8-9 বছর ধরে কি যে যদি ব্লাডারের উপরে কিছু একটা করা যায় আস্তে আস্তে করে। অ্যান্ড রিসেন্টলি এমআরআই হাসপাতাল বলেছে যে একটা ডেডিকেটেড ব্লাডার ক্লিনিক করবে। ডেডিকেটেড ব্লাডার ক্লিনিকের ইম্পর্টেন্স আছে অনেক ফর মেডিকেল ডক্টরস অ্যান্ড অবভিয়াসলি ফর দ্য ফ্যামিলি, বিকজ এই ক্লিনিকে খালি ব্লাডারের উপরেই কনসেন্ট্রেট করা যাবে। আর এটাই আমাদের কলিগ ডক্টর সুভাষিস সাহা আর ডক্টর পুনম গুহ এই ব্যাপারেই করবেন। সুভাষিস, তুই যদি কিছু বলতে চাস।
I am Dr. Subhashish Saha. I am a pediatric surgeon with majority of my work on pediatric urology. So basically what I have seen over the last 2 decades is most of the causes of renal failure. So আমাদের বাচ্চাদের অনেকেরই কিডনি ফেলিয়ার হয় এবং তার একটা মেজর বাল্ক is due to problems with urinary bladder which are overlooked by general physicians because we do not concentrate our thought on the diseases of the urinary bladder. Suppose we have a dilated kidney, hydronephrosis, you always think that it is due to something related to the kidneys, but most often we find that there is some problem, some disease in the urinary bladder which leads to this dilatation. So we need to focus on urinary bladder to actually cure the child. Secondly, we have a lot of disease like myelomeningocele, where the child, ultimate survival of the child and the child does not, so that the child does not develop renal failure, we have to manage the bladder along with treating the myelomeningocele. So all these taken together, we thought that it's the call of the day that we create a special clinic purely dedicated to management of the diseases of the urinary bladder.
I am Dr. Poonam. I am a pediatric surgeon, but I have got special interest in managing bladder problems and bowel problems in children. In the over the last few years, what I have seen is there are several patients who present with various types of voiding problems like increased frequency or bedwetting or dribbling of urine, and most of the people everywhere around, most of the doctors do not have any clue of why are these problems caused and how can we manage these problems. These can be a manifestation of some grave internal illness which is already present, like some blockage in the urethra or some problem in the spine, as Dr. Subhashish already told, and these can cause significant kidney damage if these are not treated early, like Dr. Rajiv Sinha told. But there are also other problems which appear in smaller children or adolescents. They start leaking urine suddenly. These patients are very significantly psychologically distressed also because of these problems, and usually they do not have any person to look forward to who can treat these problems. So we as a team over here decided to tackle these issues so that they can get a treatment for these problems under one roof in one hospital at one place.
So one of the say advantage or the highlight of this starting a bladder clinic is that bladder is a discipline where you need input from both the medical as well as the surgical, and here we have the whole team. Second advantage is that even in pediatric surgery, and I'm sure Dr. Subhashish Saha will vouch for that, most of the surgeons don't have the time or interest in bladder, because treating a bladder takes a long time. You need to have a long history. You need to do special tests like urodynamic test, MCG test, যেটা কিন্তু অনেক সময় লাগে। That test itself, like for a simple pediatric urodynamic, it can take as long as 1 hour or more. So here we have a group of doctors who are really interested in this field, and hopefully we can develop this bladder clinic, which will be not only treating the difficult cases like Subhashish said about valve like porda, picture rasta porda or neurogenic bladder, but also treating simple cases like বারবার পেচ্ছাপ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, ফটাফটা করে পেচ্ছাপ হচ্ছে, পেচ্ছাপ ধরে রাখতে পারছে না, হাসলে পেচ্ছাপ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, এইগুলো আমাদের ট্রিটমেন্ট করার এক্সপার্টাইজ আছে, এটা আমরা বিলিভ করি।
I think a major highlight is developing a pediatric urodynamic service. So in entire country there are a few centers যারা শুধু বাচ্চাদের urodynamic study conduct করে, কারণ এটার কিছু নিজস্ব চ্যালেঞ্জ আছে। Before we started doing here, I worked with a adult center for almost 5 to 7 years. কিন্তু আমাদের যে রেজাল্টগুলো আমরা পেতাম urodynamic study, সেগুলো আমাদের ক্লিনিক্যাল যে আমরা এক্সামিনেশন করতাম তার সাথে মিলতো না, কোরিলেশন হতো না। তার কারণ হচ্ছে যে বাচ্চাদের urodynamic study করতে গেলে you need a pediatric urologist or a pediatric surgeon to stay by the child during the procedure when the procedure is being done. Otherwise you will miss some small significant but very subtle findings. So it cannot be just be done by a technician. তো আমাদের এই যে ক্লিনিকটা, এখানে অ্যাডভান্টেজ হচ্ছে ডক্টর পুনাম is a pediatric urologist and she has dedicated her time to do each case. It may take almost an hour. So it needs direct supervision and guidance and has to be done under with enough interest. So some urologist has to take special interest to actually find out what the disease is and how we can, and the urodynamic study will keep it, will make it very clear in front of us what is the path to take, how we can manage that particular problem.
Thank you.